Hey guys, I want to take a quick second and just say thank you for watching and subscribing and joining me in my passion for the AE86 Corolla and coming along on this journey. And speaking of that, the next part of our journey is, like I've said in previous videos, I have a water leak that is coming through the rear spoiler. So it's either coming through a hole that retains the spoiler, or through the rear wiper hole. So what I'm going to be doing today is just taking the spoiler off, seeing if there's any areas that look like water can get in, and sealing them up. And then same thing with this what is it? Wiper retainer. So I don't know if you can see, but the rubber down here is really cracked and perished. So what I noticed is that these spoiler retainer clips just have a little bit of foam on the ends here that touch the body to keep water out and the elements and whatnot. So what I did was I went and I bought these little foam sheets, and I'm just gonna, cut it out and make little, little gaskets essentially. And I'm gonna plug up any water that's coming through or has the possibility to come through. So let's start by getting the rear hatch up. So it looks like there are 7 screws and 4 clips. There's 2 screws in here, there's 1 here, 1 in the middle, 1 here, and then 2 on this side. And then the 4 plastic clips, 1 is back there, 1's behind the wiper motor, 1 is here behind this harness. And then the last one is back on this edge over here. So all of the screws here are just 10 millimeter. So go ahead and take all these guys out real quick. The clips must be just to position the spoiler, and then the little fasteners are really what does all of the, or the screws rather, is what does all of the holding. Okay. Alright, so that's all of those. And then now I'm just going to squeeze all the clips here and get them out. Just 4 of them. Hopefully I don't have to take the wiper motor out. And just using the angled pliers now to remove the clips. Alright, that one's out. And then now hopefully I can reach this one behind the wiper motor, because I'm hoping that the leak is just coming through the spoiler. Oh, okay, that side's definitely out. I think I'll have to pull up on the spoiler while I'm unclipping this guy. So hopefully it doesn't fall somewhere. Oh shoot, what the heck is that? Something just fell and slid down the windshield. Okay, I think it's out. So let's go ahead and close this guy down and see what's what. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, so there it is. And what the heck is holding this in? Yeah, see, here is one of the foam gaskets that's, or is it foam or rubber? I think it's supposed to be foam, but it's aged so much that it's really hard. This is supposed to be holding water out. I think that was what, let's see. Yeah, what slid up the windshield too, up there, same thing, is something that's supposed to be keeping water out. Yeah, nothing's rusted though. That's a good sign. Yeah, I'm just looking at the gaskets, and even the plastic clips that are supposed to have foam on them, or at least on the new parts that I ordered have foam. These ones do not. So they at some point in the 31 years of this car's life, they just kind of disintegrated, I guess. So I'm going to start first by cleaning all of this area up. I already removed whatever remnants of rubber or foam was left and took all of the clips out. And then I'm just going to apply the foam wherever the screws were here. And then we'll just bolt this thing back down. It's pretty straightforward. So here it is, all cleaned up. And I really wish that the previous owner kept the Dirty Panda color, which is this gray with the black going down the side. It would have been perfect, even if it was old. But instead they painted it this disgusting gunmetal color, which I've never liked. But yeah, the body was really, the body was pretty good on the car when I bought it, and that's one thing I need to go. I need to go over this car's history with you guys one of these days, as well as for the white car too. But that's for another video. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to work on the spoiler now. So what I'm doing here now is I'm just cutting out foam in squares that are about the same size as these mounting screw areas here, and just this is actually a sticker one that I got here. So I'm just gonna pre-stick them on there so that when I line it up, nothing shifts and everything is perfect. And I'm gonna install the clips and we will throw the spoiler back on. First one here, and then just punch a little hole out of the middle. I wish I had a hole puncher. I think I have one somewhere, but I don't know where the heck. The wife has it somewhere, I guess, probably. So I'm just gonna cut a little hole. Yeah, little hole in the middle. There's probably a better way to do this, like I said, using a hole puncher, but the screw is actually not that big, so just cutting a little hole out with a knife is probably just fine for this job. So I'm just gonna make 7 of these, and then yeah, I'll be right back. So I attached all of the foam stickers onto the mounting points there, and also slid the new white plastic clips into place and cleaned the rubber trim around the the spoiler, and now it's ready to be installed. And these guys here too, they just slide out, slide in. Here's another shot of the spoiler before it goes on. Oops. Make this one fall out. Oh, okay. Oops. Some of these keep falling out. Keep all these clips vertical. Alright. I'm just going to line up the plastic clips and get those guys in and just get this reinstalled. Should be pretty easy. Except I can't see. Okay, these are in. These look like they're in. Yeah. Sweet. Alright. Let's get this thing open again here. And see how everything lines up here. Clip is in. Clip is in. Oh, this clip over here did not go all the way in. Uh-oh. I think the clip fell off the mounting, so I'm going to take this off and undo what I just did. Here I was thinking I was done. Alright, that should be cool. Yeah, let's lift this guy back off. See what happened. Alright, so everything was okay except this one fell off. And part of the plastic tab on this one is broken, so I don't know if there's a better way I can keep this thing on. Maybe a little bit of electrical tape. Get a little bit of this electrical tape just to hold this clip in place. I'm going to put it underneath the foam here. And then, yeah, that should at least hold it into place until I can get the spoiler in. Alright. Second attempt. Those two are cool. These ones are also good. Alright. I think that's everything. Let's just double check. Okay, that clip's good. That clip's good. The far one is good. And this one is that on? It's mostly on. Let's see. Yeah, I think that one's on now. Part of the mounting tabs were breaking or you know, detaching, so that's probably why this clip's not wanting to go in all the way, but actually it looks like it's okay now. Let me just give it a couple more taps just in case. Maybe, you know, I can just probably pull it from this side too. Yeah, let me just pull it from this side with the pliers.
just to make sure that the foam gets a good seal. That's kind of my main worry, is if the foam doesn't seal, water is just gonna get in through that hole again. It doesn't matter that all the other the 7 screws are okay. You know, if one of these foam ones is not, water's still gonna get through, I think. Just trying to cover all my bases here. No, I think that one's okay.
And now the only job left is to reinstall the screws. Last one. Okay. Just want to go through and hand check these guys real quick. Oh, actually I missed one. What? Oh, that's weird. Did I lose one? Okay, I thought I lost one, but it's on the end of my flashlight. There's a magnet. Okay, and I think we are done. And that's really it, guys. Now what's left is to check if that was the source of the water leak by running the car through a car wash. And if it was, then yeah, that's that. It'll be good for the rest of the rainy season. And that's really it until I have a chance to test if water is still getting in. Until next time, you guys take care, keep the 86 alive. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.